This adorable 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home on a corner lot with a large front yard is a must-see. Enjoy the lush landscaping, sip your morning coffee from the back patio while fur baby has playtime in the fenced-in backyard. There is also a convenient storage building for tools and gardening supplies. The roof was installed December 2022 with a transferrable warranty and the HVAC was new in 2019. It is crisp, clean, and convenient to restaurants and shopping. Original hardwood floors are in the living room, dining area, hallway and all bedrooms with vinyl tile in the kitchen. That extra room off the kitchen leading to the back patio makes an incredible mudroom space or could be additional eating area, office or drop zone. Lots of natural light comes in through the living room and dining room. The stylish bathroom has been all updated with stunning white tile. Don't let this cream puff pass you by. Make your appointment today.